What's up, y'all? We are reporting live from my bathroom. It's been about a full week since I have shampooed, conditioned, and styled my hair. If you've watched my extensive wash day routine, you will know that my last wash day was a lot because I took about 3 weeks to actually wash my hair. So we're just stopping that in the tracks and we're getting ahead of that today. So today is shampoo day, but I am going to be going in with like a gentle cleanser. It's going to be a cleanser, but it's not a clarifying shampoo. I don't do clarifying shampoos every week, but I do ensure that I cleanse my scalp. So I am going to be using the Camille Rose Naturals Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. This is probably one of my favorite every week shampoos. And as some of you all know, I do have a hair care brand, and for the past years I've been like the one like actually physically hand making those products, but I'm trying to grow my business and scale a little bit more, and kind of just transition from being a manufacturer to more so focusing on formulation as well as marketing and just kind of scaling the business and growing the business. So I have been working with a manufacturer and I am demoing some products or testing out some products today that I need to kind of give my manufacturer some feedback on. So right here I have a deep conditioner that I'll be trying out today. Do I recommend deep conditioning on a weekly basis? No. So on a normal day I would just probably shampoo and condition my hair, but I gotta test these products out and give them some feedback. And y'all know I am the wash and go queen, so I'm also going to be testing out something that's going to get my curls popping. But enough with the chit chat, let's jump in the shower and get this wash day started. All right, y'all, welcome to the shower. I'm just gonna take down this little crusty bun, and before you go on with any shampoos or anything like that, you just want to saturate your hair completely. I start to work that water in and just kind of gently remove any tangles, and once my hair is completely saturated, I'm just going in with this shampoo and I'm emulsifying it in my hands, and I begin to apply it to my scalp. So I start at the front of my head, my nape, and then I split my hair down the middle and I apply it to that middle section. And then once that shampoo is everywhere, I go and I start to apply it to the shaft of my hair. When you shampoo your hair, make sure you don't just apply it to the root of your hair. You want to cleanse the entirety of your hair because your hair has been touching all of the elements. Your scalp is not the only thing that is dirty. After that, I start to finger detangle my hair because with shampoo you can start that detangling process. So I just do this for about 2 rounds, but if you do want a more in-depth tutorial of how I do my shampoo routine, definitely check out my extensive wash day routine. So now I'm going in with this new product that I'm testing out. It is a deep conditioner. I won't keep that part a secret. And when I do my deep conditioners, I begin to apply the product towards the ends of the hair because that is the oldest part of your hair, and then work it up the shaft. The best way that you can get a deep conditioner activated or a conditioner activated is to apply water. It's not going to rinse the conditioner completely out of your hair. For me, I know a conditioner is working really well when it starts to get pretty foamy, and I'm happy that after I talked to my manufacturer, they went back and they added in some ingredients that I wanted, because now I'm getting that foamy effect and I was having a pretty good time detangling my hair. My hair was a little bit tangled, so it needed some extra TLC, and I had to do a little bit more combing and brushing than I usually would, but I definitely liked how it felt. I went in with the plastic cap while I was in the shower and just kind of let the steam in the shower do its thing, and then I rinsed my hair with some cool water. Now I'm going in with the microfiber towel and we are going to chat outside of the shower. All right, y'all, so I'm back out of the shower and my scalp and my hair honestly feel really amazing right now. When I was formulating that product, I really wanted it to, you know, make the curls feel good, feel moisturized, feel hydrated, but also leave the scalp feeling tingly, and that's exactly how I feel. So these are the curls after they've been in the towel for maybe 5 minutes. My hair feels very, very, very soft. It feels hydrated. It feels moisturized. It feels strong. Like, I'm very pleased because honestly, the first conditioner they sent me, it kind of just sat on the hair. It didn't really feel like penetrating. But that whole shower experience, that whole detangling experience was actually very pleasant. It had a good slip and my hair felt really good while it was being detangled and even after I rinsed it out. So I'm actually very, very excited about that. We also did work on my high maintenance elixir. I have gotten some complaints about the scent, which is fine because it's very herbal. I will say that it is a very herbal product. So I did work with them on just kind of formulating a new scent for this product so that you all can have a more pleasant experience. And I also turned up the mint factor on this just a little bit so your scalp is still tingling. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna massage my scalp with my high maintenance elixir. But you can still find this formula essentially on my website at imaniabeauty.com. Well, the older formula, but this formula is the same. It just won't have the improved scent, but it don't stink. You know, it still get the job done. It's still gonna stimulate that healthy hair growth. Don't worry about that. So I just take about 2 squirts and then I like massage it into my hands, on my fingertips, and I just go in on the scalp. As you all know, my high maintenance elixir is a multi-purpose hair and scalp oil. It helps to stimulate healthy hair growth, to soothe your scalp, especially for those who are suffering from scalp conditions, and improve the overall hair and scalp health. One of the major base oils for this product, I did formulate it with safflower seed oil, which is very similar to our scalp's natural sebum. So this oil is not gonna leave your hair feeling thick or greasy afterwards. It's very lightweight. It is a thicker consistency, but it's not going to be greasy on the hair. And it also has neem as well as black seed oil, and those oils are really good for targeting scalp conditions. And it is also jam-packed with amla, rosemary, fenugreek seeds, hibiscus, lavender, mint, and horsetail herbs, as well as plenty other herbs that's going to help to stimulate healthy hair growth on your scalp. So today I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm doing a wash and go. So I'm going to be testing out this product that is going to get my curls to pop. So let me section off my hair and try it out on one section. All right, y'all know the drill for wash and goes. My hair is in these 4 sections. I'm just gonna drench this section in water. I'm gonna split this section in half. I just like to work in smaller sections when I do my wash and go, just to ensure that my curls are super defined. All right, just taking a brush to detangle. This is like a Denman brush, but you could use whatever brush you like to detangle. Let those curls popping. All right, y'all, so let me know in the comments what you think this product is. I definitely want to see what y'all think it's gonna be, but I'm gonna just go in. Ooh, I got about this much product. I'm gonna emulsify it in my hands. And just rake it through the hair. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more towards my ends. All right, this is how my curls look. They look good, they're nice and juicy. But this is not this is not the deciding factor on how I feel about this just yet. Let me do my whole head and set under the dryer, and then I want to see how those curls look. All right, y'all, so I'm done with my little wash and go, and my curls look pretty good. This is how they're looking. Nice and juicy. I am about to sit under the dryer just to, you know, get my roots dry and then diffuse the rest of my hair. But so far, I like the product. It is a little bit creamier, and I do want it to be a little more sticky, but I do like how my curls look. This is the second round of samples for this particular product. The first time I absolutely hated it. It was not at all what I wanted it to be. I tried it on one section of my hair and I gave up. I said, I'm not even finna play myself. But they definitely redeemed themselves for this one. This feels way better and closer to what I want it to feel like. I do have some critiques that I will be giving my manufacturer, but so far so good. The product went on good. It feels good on the hair. My curls look good, but I want to see how my curls look once they dry, because I do want to see if I have any frizz. So I'm about to sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes. It's currently 1:06 and I do have a client today at 4, so I'm gonna kind of speed this little process up and diffuse my hair and see what my curls are looking like then. All right, y'all, so the definition is given. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I was under the dryer for about an hour, honestly. My ends are still a little bit damp, but the roots are pretty dry. And I'm really liking how my hair is looking, how my curls are popping. It feels pretty good. I can already tell though off top, I am gonna have just a little bit of frizz, because it's not as crunchy. Like some places are a little firmer than others. Like right here is definitely got like a little bit more crunch. So I could definitely say I would want the products to have a little bit, just a little bit more slip and just a little more like jelly texture, but I can't complain. I really do like how my curls look. I think everything looks pretty cute. So I'm just gonna go in with my diffuser and finish drying off my hair. Okay y'all, so these are the curls after I have diffused them and kind of went in with the blow dryer and dried it a little bit. I really like the definition that I have. It feels good. There is a slight crunch on the bottom, so I'm gonna take a little bit of my high maintenance elixir and just kind of scrunch that crunch out. But all in all, I like it. I'm excited to see how the curls look as the days go, but so far so good. No flaking so far, or like, you know when the products start looking like, I don't know, gritty, because it's like it just don't mix well. I haven't experienced any of that, so I'm just ready to see how like it grows over the days and how these curls last. But I got a client, so let me head out so I can go style somebody else's mane. I'll see y'all. All right y'all, so it is the next day and I got home really late last night, so I wasn't able to show y'all my hair or how I tied my hair up. But if you watched my most recent wash and go video, you definitely were able to see like how I preserve my wash and goes as of late. But I opted out for the two little scrunchies. I didn't end up putting one in the back because I couldn't find another silk scrunchie. So this is what my hair looks like day 2. These are my day 2 curls, and like I said, I'm feeling it. The is giving. It's definitely giving definition. It got a little crunch to it that I like. I will say it does feel a little drying, like the formula is just a little bit on the drier side. It's not as hydrating as moisturizing as I would like it to be. So I am going to let my manufacturer know that I definitely need to kind of boost up some of that moisture and hydration in the product. But all in all, I like it, and I think this is how I'm wearing my hair today. I'm not even finna do nothing else to it. So I'm about to do my makeup real quick, and I don't know, this is supposed to be like a week in my natural hair, but I don't know what else I'm gonna do to my hair. So I'll keep y'all posted if I end up doing something else different the remainder of this week. Good morning y'all. So today is Monday. As you all can see, I am deep conditioning because I went to the pool yesterday and I don't play about that chlorine in my hair. So I did go in and shampoo my hair twice, and I am deep conditioning with Imania Beauty's Bowel Mint Deep Conditioning Treatment. Y'all, my dog right here. Hey mama. Say hey. So yeah, I am currently deep conditioning. I know I said don't sleep in your deep conditioner, but I had a day yesterday, so I ended up sleeping in it. I'm about to rinse this out and then do a mousse only deep conditioner. I am going to be featured on the news this morning, so I have to look cute and presentable. So I'm going to just do a mousse only wash and go because it dries pretty quick. I'll just show you guys how I do that real quick, but I'm probably going to make like a whole separate tutorial of that as well. All right y'all, so this is day 3 of me wearing this wash and go, and honestly it's okay. Like, it's not terrible, but I do like to wear gel wash and goes or gel and mousse wash and goes. So I do think I am going to like wet my hair today, not necessarily wash it, but wet it and do like a slick back ponytail with my clip-ins. So hopefully I get to do that today. But I did want to come in and show you all what my hair is looking like on day 3. The curls don't look bad at all. Like, it's just not as crunchy or defined as I like to wear my hair. All right y'all, so this is the last clip that you all will see me doing my hair for the month of June. Honestly, I was rocking a puff for a lot of the month, even though I did do my hair quite a few times this month. But after I shampooed my hair, I think I really did a wash and go and I did a puff. But this is the last Imania Beauty product that I am going to be testing out. And even though this is a good product, like the slip, the lather, the hydration, all of that on this shampoo was good, but this is not at all what I wanted. So y'all, I had to type up my notes to send over to my manufacturer. But I thank you all so much for watching this video. I do have a lot more hair content in store for you all, and I just want to thank you all for supporting me along this journey. And I'm really looking forward to, you know, making some more products for you all, and just, you know, keeping you all on this journey with me when it comes to just being a content creator, stylist, being a hair care enterprise builder. I just want to continue to take you all on my journey. So if you have anything that you want to see, definitely let me know. But that's it, y'all. I will see you all in the next video, and we will chat very, 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 very soon.